Swedish firm SAB has said that the Gripen team has met many potential Indian partners that could be involved in the manufacturing of the Gripen in India if it wins the MRFA tender. SAB officials have met with aerospace companies from Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai, that includes Mahindra Defence and VEM Technologies, and a memorandum of understanding regarding partner selection might take place on the sidelines of the Aero India 2023. French firm Dassault Aviation has offered Rafale F4 Standard in the contest, which had held in France in 2021, and will be fully ready by 2024. The Indian Air Force is likely to finalize the air staff qualitative requirements by end of this year, and the request for proposal for 114 fighter jets will be issued in late 2023, and owner will be selected by 2025. India's Ministry of Defence has invited responses from Indian firms by 21st of February 2023 for its request for proposal to provide 4,25,213 carbines under the Buy Indian carry, of which 18,455 units are for the Indian Army and 6,758 units for the Indian Navy. The 5.56 by 45 mm carbines must weigh 3 kg and have 60% indigenous design and content, and an effective range of at least 200 meters. It must have a rate of fire of 600 rounds per minute using domestically made ammunition. The request for proposal mentions that the lowest bidder will manufacture 2,55,128 units, and the second lowest bidder will manufacture 1,70,085 units. Indian vendor bids would also include respective tie-ups with foreign carbine manufacturers, and the two shortlisted vendors must start delivery within 8 months of the contract being signed, and complete the delivery within 90 months. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has been using the company-owned upgraded Hawkeye aircraft to develop new subsystems for modifications and obsolescence management of avionics systems as part of the Hawk upgradation program, which will be the source of many of the technologies that will find its way into the upcoming HLFT-42 aircraft. HAL has already test-fired the ASRAM and SAW from the Hawkeye, and it is also likely to be integrated into the HLFT-42 program. Once the cavalry dry engine gets an afterburner module, it will be able to generate at least 71 kN of thrust, which is good enough for the HLFT-42. Indian Navy's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS plant has begun trials of the Sprint firefighting bot, which detects the source of the fire and extinguishes it with a water or foam jet spray. The Sprint has been built by an Indian company Swadeshi Empresa, that has been producing high fighting pumps and equipment since 1971. The armies of India and Australia have begun their joint military exercise Austrohen 2022 at Rajasthan's Mahajan field firing ranges. The two sides will engage in a variety of tasks ranging from joint planning, joint tactical drills, sharing basics of special arms skills, and raiding a hostile target. The joint exercise will promote understanding and interoperability between the two armies, that will further help in strengthening ties between India and Australia.